Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping each nail so the chrome adheres, remove oils, push cuticles, and buff lightly. Once done, apply a thin base coat and wait 60 to 90 seconds until it is tacky, not wet. Now, load your brush with a single light swipe of chrome top coat, stroke from cuticle to tip without flooding the sides. You do this to create an even reflective layer. Heavy coats trap streaks and pooling, which ruin the chrome effect. You continue by working one nail at a time so the surface stays wet enough for chrome powder or magnetic effect. Make a decision. Either apply the powder immediately and press gently, or use a magnet stroke if using magnetic chrome. If coverage is uneven, add a second ultra-thin layer, no more than 2 thin coats, to prevent lifting. Make sure to use gentle circular motions with a sponge or soft brush to even the finish. This preserves the mirror shine and eliminates streaks. You finish by sealing the chrome with a thin, compatible no-wipe or gel top coat and cure it fully per product instructions. Once cured, clean around the edges with alcohol and a fine brush to prevent lifting and extend wear. If you notice dull spots or micro scratches, reapply a very thin top coat and lightly buff. This restores mirror shine without removing chrome. If lifting persists, remove and start over with fresh prep. Improper prep is the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.